Hi everyone, this is Safan, Technical Services Lead for Partial Access Solution. Today I am going to show you how to easily navigate our website and find our amazing audiobooks and shows. Let's do it. First of all, you have to navigate on our website main heading navigation bar.
Link, Paschall Access Solutions / providing professional training to the vision impaired. Link. Site navigation, navigation landmark.
Here we are. These are 4 landmarks over here.
1 of 4 level 1. Link. 2 of 4 level 1. Link. 3 of 4 level 1. Link. 4 of 4 level 1. Heading level 1.
After these 4 headings, there is the next main friend search bar. Let's check it.
Link. Link. Search icon link.
Here it is. Just click on him.
Scan off.
The scan is
Search
on now.
for. Edit. Search.
We write
Space.
there
MARVEL.
when we write our prompt, just click on it for search.
Scan. Link.
Simply click on the search bar, type a keyword related to the audiobook or show you are looking for, making sure to spell it correctly and hit enter.
Scan. Link.
Boom.
Alt plus S.
This
Skip to
the
content.
post will appear in the
Link.
content area.
Image.
Here
Search
it
results
is.
for Marvel. Group. Search Marvel. Contains style. Document. Heading level 2. Heading level 2. Link. Marvel Civil War.
Here's our first audiobook which we have searched now. So this short course is all about teaching you how to use the search bar on our website effectively. Thanks for joining me. This is Saif Khan, Technical Services Lead at Partial Access Solution. Peace.